Welcome back. Today's explainer is all about a super practical set of digital tools from GMartIT. You know, if you've ever found yourself pulling your hair out trying to streamline your online operations, well, you're definitely in the right place. We're going to really dig into their reliable Gmail account solutions and look at exactly how they can optimize your day-to-day workflow. So, take a second and think about your current setup. How are you actually managing all those complex, moving parts of your online operations? It's a lot to juggle, right? Well, GMartIT focuses entirely on greasing those gears. They provide dependable digital resources to solve that exact bottleneck. And what's really cool is that these tools are backed up by actual, dedicated customer support. It just gives you that rock-solid foundation you need to operate smoothly and ultimately scale up without the headache. Okay, let's dive right into this. Section 1. The GMartIT Solution. Empowering digital professionals. Just look at the variety of folks they serve. Honestly, whether you're a business scaling a brand new team, a digital marketer running some heavy ad campaigns, maybe a growing agency, a developer testing out new software, or even a freelancer just trying to manage a booming client list, you all share one massive common need, and that is stability. Because juggling all those responsibilities, it's tough. Choosing a trusted provider for your accounts just guarantees a way smoother experience across the board, no matter what your specific gig is. And this brilliantly illustrates what it's really all about. It's not just about getting, a basic inbox. It's about unlocking some serious core operational firepower. We are talking about facilitating totally seamless business communication, getting instant access to the entire Google Workspace suite, tapping into highly reliable cloud storage for all your files, and really driving tight project organization. That is the actual day-to-day utility you want to build your infrastructure on. But acquiring all these awesome resources, that's really only half the equation. So the big question is, how do you actually protect these new digital assets once they're in your hands? Owning these accounts comes with a major responsibility, and locking them down has to be your absolute top priority to make sure your business operations are never, ever compromised. Which brings us to Section 2, Essential Security Best Practices, Protecting Your Digital Infrastructure. Now I want to slow down here for a second because this is absolutely vital. You've got to execute this precise 3-step security protocol before you send a single email or upload a single file. First up, change that password immediately to something super strong and unique. Second, update the recovery email and phone number to your own secure contacts. We all know that sheer panic of getting locked out of an important account. Definitely don't let that be you. And third, always enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. So the crucial point is, doing all this guarantees total data protection on day one, way before you start actively using the account. But here's the thing. Security isn't just about tricky passwords and authentication apps. Beyond the technical stuff, strict compliance is absolutely mandatory. You have to make sure your use of these accounts fully complies with Google's terms of service, along with any applicable local laws. Proper account management means, playing by the rules. It's really the ultimate safeguard to keep your data protected and keep your business humming along without any sudden, disastrous interruptions. All right, moving on to part 3, getting in touch. Contacting GMartIT support. If you ever need a hand with these solutions, or if you're just ready to jump in and integrate these resources into your own workflow, you've got some great direct support channels right at your fingertips. You can shoot them a quick message on Telegram at their GMartIT handle, reach out via WhatsApp for a text, or just send a more traditional inquiry directly through email. It's honestly great to have multiple avenues for assistance, so you're never left hanging when you need a bit of help. To wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a final, kind of provocative thought to chew on. Are proper account management and security practices actually supporting your long-term productivity? Really think about it. Managing your digital resources properly isn't just some defensive move to protect your data. It's a highly active strategy that directly drives your business forward. Secure assets equal reliable operations. So take a hard look at your own infrastructure today. Are you truly built for that long-term success? Thanks so much for joining me to explore this topic, and as always, keep learning.